Okay, so we are here in the primary classroom of Bessie Preparatory School, and you see the ceiling has fallen. The ceiling has fallen. So we had it worked on before with the abundance of rain that we've been getting, and this is our first day back at school. Today is January the 7th. Our first day back at school, and this is for the year 2020, and this is what we're experiencing right now. So this is the primary classroom. The rain has come through, and it has caused our ceiling to fall. We did have this worked on last year, or a couple of years, and the work obviously was not efficient. So we need help. We need work. The lights, we have lights on here. We've got to turn these lights. This could be an electrical hazard here. So we've moved our children out. You see the insulation is soaking wet, and it looks like it's traveling down even this way. So this is a start to our new year, but we know that God is good and He is able. And we know that we'll be showing you a video soon of this being all fixed and the students in here working. So keep us in prayer and talk to you later.